There's a snowy owl on the tent. Here we are at the Art of Being Green. Where did the owl go? There he is. He wanted to be near the water.
Oh, I think so. I think he's somebody's bird.
Yeah, he's got that strap on his leg.
Pardon?
He has a strap on his leg.
Yes, he's somebody's bird. He's got to be tame, though. You wouldn't come
Isn't
down
that
so
cool?
low.
This is Nancy today.
Beautiful.
Bye.